evaluate the integral of 2 sine x over sine 2x dx. So let's apply double angle identity first for sine 2x. So we know that sine 2x is equal to 2 cosine x sine x, right? And then we cancel out common factors on the numerator and denominator. We can cancel out the 2, the sine x. So what is left is just 1 over cosine x dx. So to evaluate the integral of 1 over cosine x, we can apply the reciprocal identity. So the reciprocal identity for cosine is secant, right? Which has a standard integral formula. So what is the integral of secant x dx? It is equal to ln of secant x plus tan x plus c. So this is the final answer.